Hey, you all. Hey, before we get started, I would like to ask you guys to comment on where you're watching from. This is a brand new channel, and I'm trying to see how far my videos are traveling. Anyway, today I am in Orlando, Florida. I will be going to the World Food Truck Mart. Right out here across from the busy street here. And as you see, we have a big old bungee jumping thing there. Big old bungee thing there. We got Ferris wheel. Got some more food trucks out here. So, come along for this video and like and subscribe. Alright, you guys, let's go inside and check it out. Look at these. I hear them screaming already over there. Alright, you guys, let's go inside and check it out. So this is the entrance. Out here they have a couple of food trucks out here. A couple over there. It's a lot of cars out here, but I don't see many people. But I guess I gotta go to the back and maybe I'll see more food trucks back there. But this is like the corridor going into there. So let's get back there and see what's going on. So far it don't look too busy back here. I guess by it being a weeknight, a Thursday night. What time is it right now? It's about 6:30 on a Wednesday. We got a bunch of trucks back here though. A lot of these places look closed. I don't understand. But we'll walk around and see what they have. So, but I guess this is the back side of everything. Well, look at here, they got some barbecue. Oh, this is where all the action is over here. See what they have here. Oh, they got pizza. Calzones, pasta. Over here, the Korean ice cream. Smash burgers. Gyro, $25. That's crazy. Oh, a cheesesteak. I can use a cheesesteak. I'm just gonna look around for now before I pick something. But cheesesteak sounds good. What is that? That looks good. See Brazilian grill over here. Parmigiana carne polo. Maybe I might try that. Ice cream over here, hot dogs over here. Tacos. Tacos sound good too. So far, this place seems pretty cool. I had to get away from the music, so I don't want to get copyright strikes on my page, and I'm just getting started. So let's see what they got down here. They got some desserts over there, cakes and stuff. Some more burgers over there. Hello, how you doing? And let's see what else they have here. Everything looks so good. So let's look at one of these menus here. See the prices? Let's go this place here. Yes. See this place. It's not really showing the prices. But man, if you guys could just smell the smells out here, it smells so delicious. So I guess they got food from all over the world out here. And I'm gonna sit down in a minute after I figure out what it is that I want. I'm gonna want something. Oh my God, it smells so good out here. And they got more trucks on the other side here. Let me go over here and take a look. Yeah, I'll try it. Thank you. That is good.
Do you want a menu?
Mm-hmm.
This on the sample is picanha steak, buddy. 1 meat and 2 side.
That is really good. How much is that?
It's $24.93, buddy. This big plate, 8 steak and 2 side.
All right, I'll take it. You got me sold. It tastes so good. Yeah, I'll take it. So this is where I'm at, right here. License to grill. License to grill. This is the place. And I'll talk to you guys in a minute. So while I'm waiting on my food, I'll go and walk around and look at some more places. But that steak was really good. He sold me just by giving me a sample of his steak. I hope the rest of the food tastes that good, but it was really good. So, for right now, they gave me this thing here. So I guess when this buzzer goes off, that's when my food would be ready. I'm number 12. So, what they got here? Everything looks so good out here, it's hard to choose. But since he gave me a free sample, I said, oh well, might as well eat it. It was expensive though. I have to say, it was like, after tax it came up to $31. But you only live once, so I always wanted to check this place out. So, and it looks like all the places out here, they're really expensive. So. But we'll see what I get for $31. The only extra thing I got was a Coke. So we'll see how it turns out. I guess this place is so expensive because it's in Orlando. And they know these people out here have tourist money, so that's why they're going to charge them up. Oh, look at this stuff. This stuff looks really good too. What is this? La Muralla, China. I can't get away from the music. I don't want to get a copy strike on my page. I'm still just trying to get started. But look at this. Delicious food everywhere. All over. All right, that's pretty much this whole place. So I'm gonna go over here, wait for my thing to beep, and get my food, and I'll join you guys in a minute. So here's some desserts. Prices of some desserts out here. You got churros, you got funnel cakes, ice cream, sweet and crunchy. So those prices aren't too bad. I'll probably get some churros for $7 after I finish eating that meal. I'm going to get this place of mine. It's called, this place is called Happy Churros. Happy Churros. So my food has arrived. I got some tater tots. Got some jalapeno poppers. And I got some steak and a Coke. And this is what I got for $31 after tax. Let's try it out. All right, here's the steak. Well, I already know the steak is good. I tried it already. Yeah, that's some good steak. He sold me just by giving me a sample of the steak. Plus, this is my first time eating tonight, so I guess anybody could have sold me, but he gave me a free sample, so I was like, might as well go ahead and spend money with him. Okay, here's the jalapeno popper. It's good. Jalapeno popper is good. Full of cheese. That is so good. Now for the tater tot. I'm probably not going to finish this plate, but I'm going to take it home. Because I'm going to have to save some room, because I think I want to try those churros. Those churros look really good. Well, they smell really good. So after I finish what I'm going to eat here, I'm going to head over there and try some churros. All right. Talk to you guys in a minute. Okay, well, I don't get the clean plate reward today, but I have plenty for when I get home. But really, this steak is really good and tender. So I'm trying to save some room for the churros, and yeah, and I can save this for later. All right, these are the churros with cinnamon and strawberry sauce on them. They're a lot thinner than I expected them to be, but it's all right. This is like $7 for these, so let me try them out. They got pretty good flavor. I should have got it without the strawberry sauce. Should have just had the cinnamon sugar on them, but nevertheless, they're okay. They're not the best. And they're thin. I never had a churro this thin before, but it's alright. Actually, they're not bad. They're not bad at all, actually. Second bite was better. I like them. I just don't like the way the strawberry sauce looks. It looks like ketchup, but it tastes like strawberry. But it's pretty good. The name of that place was Happy Churro. So, but this is my first time coming to this thing, but it's pretty nice, I have to say. There's some of the little food trucks they have around here. I would say there's probably about 30, anywhere between 25 and 30 food trucks out here. So, but I came out here hungry. You should not do that. But the steak was delicious. I have to admit, the steak was delicious. So I went to the first thing that was offered to me. It was the steak, and it was delicious. But after looking at some of the prices out here, it's kind of ridiculous. Because they had for a gyro, or gyro. I say gyro, you say euro. They charge $27 for fries and a drink with the euro. And I think that's a bit ridiculous. But you're in Orlando, so people come out here with money, so they try to get as much as they can. I'm pretty sure it's not cheap to rent a spot out here if you are a food truck. So you got to make your money somehow. All right, well, that would do it for this video. I would like to thank each and every one of you for staying by and watching. And I'll talk to you guys next time. All right, have a good day.